Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to DreamView. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Govee TV Backlight 3 and you want your Govee Lamp Pro to be connected to DreamView so that it syncs with the colors on the TV. How do you actually go ahead and connect the two together? Now, what you need to do is that you want to go ahead and go into the Govee Home app. Then on the bottom right hand corner, click on the second icon. You should see that there's DreamView here, and DreamView comes from your TV backlight. So for reference, I have a Govee TV Backlight 3, which has DreamView. Now click onto DreamView. Next, go ahead and click on Manage the Device. And then this is where you can select which devices you want connected to DreamView. So we're going to go ahead and find our Floor Lamp Pro and then click on Confirm. Now on this page here, it's basically a color matching technology. So with the Floor Lamp Pro, you can actually decide which colors you want to be in sync with. So let me show you an example. On the upper hand screen, you can see that my TV, it's like an example TV. My left floor lamp is to the left of my TV. So what I essentially do is that I match the colors with the colors indicated by the left screen. So you can see that 8 corresponds to 8 on my left floor lamp, 9 corresponds to 9. 9 corresponds to 9 again. So it's basically like you choose a color and then you assign it like this by clicking on the color and then clicking on the spot on your floor lamp where you want it to be displayed. If your Govee floor lamp was to the right of your TV, so let's go back to our Govee Floor Lamp Pro, you would click the number 4 and you can have it be the bottom. Let's say number 5, we want it to be the middle. We want number 4 to be 4. And then we want 6 to be the top. So that's how I connect my Govee Floor Lamp Pro to DreamView. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.